I am Krupali Patel. I have developed a base converter using Django. It will take any number from user and convert it to one base to another base. And it's also provide the facility to perform basic arithmetic operation in different number system. For this project, I have created the Django project, and here I created the folder named as a template. In this folder, there is a two file, home.html and callpage.html. For the UI of base converter and calculator respectively. Here I take the input from user using select and input tag. I send the value to views.py using ajax and post method. Here is my view.py file. Here I have created the 7 function. This 3 function for the loading the HTML file and this 4 function to computing the result. Let's understand every function one by one. Let's start with convert base function. It takes 3 input from a user. Let's take an example. User want to convert octal number 11 to binary. So here n equal to 11, 2 equal to 2 and from equal to 8. Here from equal to 8 which is not equal to 10. So first I convert octal number 11 to decimal using the function base to decimal which returns decimal value of octal number 11. It returns value 9. And then I convert decimal 9 to binary using decimal to base function which returns 1001 which is binary of 9. And this is our required answer. I return the answer using HTTP response. Next function, calculate. Function provides the facility to perform basic arithmetic operation in different number system. It takes the 4 parameter, 2 operand, 1 operation and the base. Let's understand with the example. User want to perform addition in binary number system. So here base equal to 2. There is a 2 operand 1 1 and 1 1 and we want to perform addition operation. So let's take a condition 2 is not equal to 10. So we convert this binary number to decimal using base to decimal function and this 1 1 which is equals to decimal 3. So it returns 3. Now the 2 operands are 3 and 3. Here we perform the addition operation. So answer equal to 6. 3 plus 3. Now we are performing the addition in binary number system. So we have to convert decimal 6 to binary. For this, I call the function decimal to base which take argument 6 and convert it to binary. So it returns 10110 which is the binary of 6 and return the answer using HTTP response. Here is decimal to base function which convert decimal number to any base. Let's understand with the example. I want to convert decimal number 5 to binary. So here I take the empty string base num. And here number equal to 5 which is greater than 0. So now my digit equal to number modulo base. So 5 modulo 2 which is equals to 1. Now my digit equal to 1. And 1 is less than 10. So convert this integer number to a string. and then number equal to number divided by base. So 5 divided by 2, which is equals to 2. Let's check in condition 2 is greater than 0. So again we perform 2 modulo 2, which returns the answer 0, and 0 is less than 10. So we append this 0 to base num string. Now 2 divided by 2, which returns 1, and again 1 is greater than 0. So 2 modulo 1, which returns 1, and we append this 1 to base num string. Now 1 divided by 2, which is equals to 0, and here 0 is not greater than 0. So execution of this while loop terminated, and we execute this statement. In here we reverse the string using string slicing. So reverse of 101 is 101, and we return the answer 101, which is the binary of find. Let's discuss the last function. Base to decimal, which converts any base number to decimal. Here I have taken the binary number 111 and I want to convert it to decimal number. For this, first reverse this number string using string slicing. So reverse of 111, which is 111, and here I take the variable number and initialize it with 0. Using for loop, I travels throughout the string. So here digit equal to num str of 0. So which is equals to 1, and 1 is digit. So digit is equals to 1. And then number equal to number plus digit into base raised to power k. Here digit equal to 1, base equal to 2, and k equal to 0. So 2 raised to power 0 equal to 1, and 1 into 1 equals to 1. So here number equal to 0 plus 1, 1. Now our k equal to 1, and number str of 1 is again 1. It is digit, and here digit equal to 1, base equal to 2, and k equal to 1. So k 2 raised to power 1 equal to 2, and 2 into 1 is again 2. So number equal to 3. Here k equal to 2, which is the last index of string, and here number underscore str of 2 equal to 1. So digit equal to 1 again, and here k equal to 2. So 2 raised to power 2 equal to 4, and 4 into 1 is 4. So our number equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is equals to 7, and we return the answer 7. And we know that the binary of 7 is 111. So we are getting the correct answer. Let's move towards the demonstration. Here we convert the decimal number 11 to binary. It gives the result 1011, which is absolutely correct. Let's try some more example. Now we convert 1010 binary to decimal. and it will give answer 10, which is absolutely correct. Here is the calculator to perform basic arithmetic operation in different number system. Let's start with the decimal number system. So here 11 plus 11 is 22. Let's change the number system binary. It will give 1 1 0. GitHub link of project is given in description box. Always be learner. Thank you.